Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your OPPO A6x. So first, you guys want to start by toggling Wi-Fi off and on. So, as you guys may know, this is a quick fix for everything. Just turn it off and turn it on. We're going to go over, click here. Now we're going to tap the switch again and wait for our phone to connect to the network. Next, if there are still some issues for you, what you guys want to do is in the save networks, in the network that you're connecting to, choose it, click the information, and click forget. Now we're gonna remove it right here, so it's going down under the available networks tab. Here, we're gonna choose it again and reconnect to it. So I'll enter the password and I'll see you guys in a second. Now we're gonna click save, and here, as you guys can see, we are connected. So here, if it's still not working for you, you guys can restart your router and a phone. So every router restarts differently. You need to find a method for your own router, and then for the phone, press the power button, the volume up button, hold them together. Let me quickly hold them together again and swipe up to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and of course I'll see you guys once it restarts. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is check for the software updates. So we're gonna go over to the settings. Now in those settings, we want to scroll a bit down until you guys see the system and update. Here we're gonna click on software update, and of course we need Wi-Fi connection for it. So I'm waiting for my Wi-Fi to turn on from the restart. This is what happens. Basically, your Wi-Fi turns off for a bit. And as you guys can see, we're gonna wait. Then it should show up right here as checking for updates. So now we got the Wi-Fi, it's checking for updates. As you guys can see, in a second we should see if our software is, of course, up to date. So if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the new updates and get rid of old glitches. Now, as a last resort, what we're going to do is we're going to reset network settings. So we want to go to backup and reset in the system and update, click reset phone, and then reset network and Bluetooth settings. So you will get rid of any Wi-Fi you've ever connected to, and it's saved on your device for every single Bluetooth device that you paired to and is connected. And of course, the mobile network settings. So you just tap here. Now you need to confirm it, and everything should be working. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.